Hi everyone! Welcome back to Native GIS, the channel where we explore the fascinating world of geographic information systems. Today, we're breaking down the basics of spatial data. What is it? How is it used? And why should you care? Let's get into it. First, what exactly is spatial data? It's information about the location, shape, and relationships of objects on Earth. Essentially, it's data tied to a place. For example, the location of your house is spatial data. It's a specific point on a map. A hiking trail is also spatial data. It's represented as a line. A park boundary? That's spatial data too, shown as a polygon. These are all examples of vector data, which represent specific features as points, lines, or polygons. There are two main types of spatial data: vector data, which represents specific objects like a road, a lake, or even a tree. Raster data, which represents continuous data like satellite imagery or elevation. Raster is made up of a grid of cells or pixels, where each cell holds a value, like temperature or rainfall. Imagine a weather map showing a heat wave. Each color represents temperature across a region, pixel by pixel. So where do we see spatial data in action? The answer is almost everywhere. Let me share a few real-world examples. Urban planning. Designing better cities by mapping transportation networks, utilities, and land use. Environmental management. Tracking deforestation, protecting wildlife habitats, and analyzing climate change patterns. Navigation apps. When Google Maps finds the fastest route to your destination, it uses spatial data from roads, traffic sensors, and GPS satellites. Emergency services. During a natural disaster, spatial data helps responders map flooded areas and plan evacuation routes, and also wildfires. Delivery services. Companies like Amazon and DoorDash use spatial data to optimize delivery routes, saving time and resources. Everyday technology apps like Google Maps, Uber, and even weather forecasts rely heavily on spatial data to work seamlessly. Now, why is spatial data so important? Because it helps us understand the world around us. For example, if you're a city planner, spatial data helps you design safer streets and better public transit. For farmers, it can monitor soil health and predict crop yields. For businesses, it's used to find the best location for a new store, based on customer density and accessibility. And for you, it makes daily life easier, whether it's finding a nearby cafe, tracking your morning run, or checking your weather app before heading out. So now that you know what spatial data is, think about this. How do you see it impacting your life or the world around you? Is it through navigation, urban planning, or even something as simple as ordering takeout? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more GIS insights right here on Native GIS. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.